Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll see how to create a multi-step forms with Everest Forms in WordPress. Multi-step forms are widely used these days. It breaks your form into multiple parts, which makes it easier and convenient for users to fill it in. Now before we start with the video, do not forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Here you can see our WordPress dashboard. In order to create a multi-step form, you'll require Everest Forms Pro Plugin. To get the plugin, check out the first link down in the description below. So you can visit the pricing page of Everest Forms where you can see different pricing tiers. So according to what all features that you require for your form, you can choose any one of these plans and purchase it. This is the standard checkout process, after which you will receive an email, follow the instructions emailed to you, and then you'll receive the zip file and the license key. Now let's get back to our WordPress dashboard. Here, go to plugins, add plugin, and first of all, install the Everest Forms plugin. Install and activate it. After you have Everest Forms, you require the Pro version. So again, go to Add Plugin, Upload Plugin, and from the file, choose the zip file that you've recently downloaded and install it. Then activate the plugin. Now you have Everest Forms Pro Plugin installed and activated. In order to access to the Pro features, go to Setting, and this is one of the most important steps. Do not forget to paste the license key that you had copied earlier and activate your license. And now your license has been activated, so you can get started with creating your form. So first of all, go within add-ons and enable the multi-step or multi-part add-on, which is basically the same thing. So here you have your multi-part form, enable it. Now the module has been activated successfully, so go to all forms. Here, click on add new. And here you can see you have tons of form templates, but I will be building my form from scratch, so start from scratch. For this video, I'm planning to create a feedback form, so I'll name it the same. So this is good to go. Now this is your form builder area. Let's turn this into multi-step form. Now before even starting to create a form, go to settings, and there you'll see this option multi-part. Click on it and enable the multi-part. Save changes and you can go back to your form builder area. Now in order to turn your normal form into multi-step form, you can see on the very bottom right this add new part option. Now this option allows you to add as many sections as you want. So as you click on it, you can see one more section being added. So I'll be sectioning my form into 3 parts. So for the first part, you can add title to your section. For the first section, I'm going to title it Personal Details. For the second part, I'm going to name it Review and Feedback. And for the third and the final section, I'm going to title it Referral. Now let's further fill out each section. So for the personal detail, let's go to add fields. I'm going to add the name field. Here you can click on it and remove first. So this becomes the name field in general. I'm going to add email. I'm going to add a new section. Here I'm going to add phone number and what else? Country. Now you can click on each field, change its label and make it required. Also email, I want it required, country required, as per phone number I'm just gonna leave it this way. So in this way our first section is ready. Now let's go to our next section. Now my second section is going to revolve around the actual feedback part. Checkbox. What products have you used? Product number 1. So I'll also turn on the required field. So what else can I use? So I can use this single line text and ask them, how long have you been using our product? And I'm going to add one row. I'm going to merge it into one. So I'm going to ask them to rate our product from 0 to 10, 0 being the worst and 10 being the best. So I'd also turn on the required button for this particular field. So now let's go to add fields and fill out our final section, which is the referral section. Here I'd like to add yes or no, and I would love to edit it to would you refer our product to a friend. For the next field, I'm going to simply drag and drop the paragraph text field and change its label. How did you know about us? I'm going to merge this whole section and again drag the paragraph text field right here, where again I'm going to change its level and ask another question. What can we do to make the experience better for users? I think with this I'm pretty much done with my multi-step form. So I'll click on save. Now you can add different fields to your section as per your choice and also customize it to your liking. After you're done, click on save and do not forget to copy your shortcode. Now after you're done creating your form, go to pages. You can either add a new page or insert your shortcode to any existing page. I'll be adding a new page and naming it feedback page. Now from the block inserter, insert the shortcode block. Drag and drop the shortcode block and right here paste the copied shortcode block and hit on the publish button. Now our form is ready. Let's see how it looks on the front end. So this is how our feedback page looks on the front end. Now let's fill this form from an incognito window. So this is our form. So let's start filling it up. So my name would be Alex Williams. My email would be Alex is my name @gmail.com. My phone number 98. Okay. And I'm from, let's say, Argentina. So next, what product have you used? I might have used product A and product B. How long? Maybe from 2 years. And I love the product, so best. Would you refer the product to a friend? I would definitely refer it. How did you know about us? Through social media. So now as you can see, there is this previous and submit button, and when you go to previous, there is this previous and next button. Now you can also customize these buttons. Now let me take you to the back end. While we had created the form, each section, you could see what you wanted to name the next level and the previous level, so you can customize those right here. Now coming back to me filling the form, next and submit. So here you can see we have received the thank you message. Now let's go to backend. Now if you want to check the number of entries and their details, you can do so from this particular tab, entries, which is right below the Everest Forms. So click on it and here you can see the total number of submission 1. And if you want to explore further more details, you can go to view and you can easily view all the details of the users. Now if you want to customize this form further, like the look of it, then from within the form builder, you can see this little floating icon, which is the form designer, which will help you design the form, change the typography of the label, the container, and many more. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.